The new film is The Hunting Party, and a beautiful film shot in a beautiful part of the world, and it's based on a true story, closely based on a true story?
Well, it came from an article that was in Esquire that Scott Anderson wrote, and it was about these journalist friends in Bosnia, in Sarajevo, looking for these war criminals that no one could find, but seemed to be everywhere. Mm-hmm. This guy named Mladic and Karadzic, who are still out there now. And so anyhow, it's kind of a strange amalgam of road story and the Three Stooges and war criminals and human rights abuses and all this stuff put together. It's kind of a unique form, I think, this film.
And in terms of the war criminals that you mentioned, they're still at large, and why are they still at large?
They're still, I mean, one goes to his daughter's grave every day, apparently.
Really?
So they know where he is, but no one does anything about it. Doesn't capture him. Mm-hmm. The other one is actually writing plays, has written 2 plays and a book of poetry that's been published, and also they can't find him.
Really? Yes. Here's a little tip. Opening night. He might be there opening night. Wow. And it makes you wonder about Osama bin Laden also. Like 7, 8 years later, he's apparently leading a happy, active life.
Where exactly is that?
You see, I don't know. Pasadena is what I heard. Anyway, and the film was shot in the same country, is that right?
Shot in Sarajevo, which is an amazing, beautiful city. Mm-hmm. I mean, really, everyone, I think it's still on the list of places that Americans are not supposed to go, but that's ridiculous. It's a beautiful city, incredible people, and you see, it's an ancient city where Jews and Muslims and Christians lived very well together, beautifully together, for centuries, not unlike Toledo in Spain and Jerusalem. It's an incredible place. Again, a place that you would all want to go at some point. Really, really beautiful.
And do we see a lot of local people in the film, actually?
We shot right there, so we used all Bosnian or Croatian actors in the movie. The crew was all local.
Do you know what we're going to see here, Richard, the clip?
This is, now we're on the trail of the bad guy that no one else can find, but we've stumbled on, we think, to the bad guy. And he travels around in these 3 yellow cars. Orange, sorry. And I'm colorblind. He just saw the movie.
Also, Terrence Howard is in the film.
Yeah, not a bad actor at all.
Yeah, okay, let's take a look.
Simon, I swear to God, if you do something stupid, I'm gonna kill you myself. Hi, get out of the car.
No, we're just tourists on our way to Montenegro.
Yeah, get out of the car now! Out!
Okay, no, you're really
Come on, Bessie, come on,
making a mistake here because we're just passing.
On the ground! On the ground now! You do not have...
Simon? Goran! Simon Hunt. Croatian son of a... How are you? I'm good. We almost killed you, man.
Yeah, no
There they are. It's The Hunting Party. Very enjoyable film.
Thanks, man.
Opens September 7th in selected cities. Richard Gere, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.